circling back on the issue with the squeaky tensioner belt. So there was a couple of things. First of all, we were adjusting the main tensioner, which is down inside here. The bolt is accessible at the very end. So you have to loosen this bolt first, and then the one on the end, you adjust that, and that adjusts tension on this main tensioner bolt here. But also, I forgot, this is a brand new, the secondary belt, which takes it from the main pulley and drives the drive pulley on the Supercharger. So that also had to be adjusted, and that's adjusted by loosening this bolt here. And you have to put a rod into here, like a dowel, metal dowel, into this, and you crank it back that way, put tension on this belt, and then tighten it down. And just like the main belt, the spec is you got to be able to turn this about 30 degrees, and that's tight enough. So that's, you know, they don't have a great torque spec for this, but that's just sort of how you adjust and figure out how tight the belt is. So now that both of those are tightened, we have now that both of those are tightened, we have no more belt squeak, which is great. So I can actually drive this to the full RPM limit without any squeaky belt and without losing belt tension and without losing any boost. So great. That's all sorted out, and much better. Yes, much better.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.